Ngayon pa, tagal mo na dito. Hayaan mo na ang tao na mismong humusga. Kahit ako ganyan din. Ayoko na dito. Lagay, labas mo lang yan. Ano mo kasi dito eh.
Okay, ito.
Nakakabaliw na sobra dito. Sobra nakakabaliw na. Labas mo yan. Labas mo yan.
Okay.
Oo. Ito, sineryoso niya yun. Yung nangyari, sineryoso. Lahat naman kasi sineryoso natin. Iba lang ang dating kay Shin. Iba lang dating talaga.
Cindy?
Dating.
What's wrong, Cindy?
Yan mo, labas niya. Masarap yan, nilalabas. Masarap yan, iniiyak.
What are you thinking, Tommy?
Ha?
What are you thinking?
Ako, kung it's all about money, I will give it. Kahit na aalis pa, everything. O kahit ako na, yung aalis, wala nang problema. Kung tulong lang din para kay Kuya Iting, it's all. Money lang din naman pala yun. But, di ba yung mga nangyari dito? Grabe. Parang gago.
I hope it's just about money. Because then again, we still want to do the tasks. So, it really depends on Kuya.
Oo, na kay Kuya na yun.
It does. Because we want to the tasks.
Oo.
He could take it, if he wants to, it could just be about money. It just depends on Kuya. Honestly. If we didn't win to the tasks, then there's a high chance of us going. But since we did, I hope it's not about the money. I hope it's not about us. It's just about the money.
Wala, ang daming lamok dito. Gusto ko na matulog.
Pero grabe, if anything happens, I hope it's just about the money. What are you thinking, Carla?
Kuya knows how I think. It's money he needs. I'm gonna give it.
Yeah, we've given it now.